Alright, welcome back. It's still me, I'm still doing this. Now we're going to solve logs. The same key thing is still true. Exponential functions undo logs. That wasn't as cool as before, it's fine. Exponential functions undo logs, just like logs undo x to the power. If I want x to not be in a log anymore, I do an exponential function. So let's start off with log base 2 of 5x minus 17 equals 3. I don't like this x being inside with the logs. I don't like that, personally. I don't know if you do. And I can't just like add 17 because there's a log that's like holding it. The log's like, no, it's mine. So we have to make it let go. Okay, we have to make it let go. Now, again, there's two methods. Isn't that crazy? Method 1 is using the log loop. So log base 2 of 5x minus 17 equals 3. I'm going to start with the base. Right, there's my log loop. I'm still mad that other teachers call this a log wheel. It's a friggin' loop. Oops, I almost said 17, sorry. That's gonna bother me. Okay, so what happens is I have 2 to the power of 3 equals the rest of it. So 2 to the power of 3 is just 2 times 2 times 2, but if I don't know that off the top of my head, I can ask my calculator nicely. So I say, hey calculator, what's 2 to the power? It's this little caret of 3, and it says it's 8. Cool. Makes sense. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Because 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8. All right, that's algebra now. I'm going to get back to this in just a second. Okay, my second method is this 2 is the base, so I'm going to do 2 to the power of both sides. So I'm going to do 2 to the power of log base 2 of 5x minus 17. That's just the whole left side. And I do 2 to the power of 3. Because just like just like logs cancel powers, powers cancel logs. So this 2 and that log 2, gone. So I get 5x minus 17 equals 2 cubed, and that's 5x minus 17 equals 8. Same math, same problem, same number of steps. It's your call. I don't care. I like method 2 better. Method 2 makes more, or method 1 makes more sense to some people. I don't care. It's still math. Why would I care what method you use to solve something? This is going to seem super redundant, but I'm going to solve it on both just in case somebody only wants to write down one. 8 plus 17 is 25. Divide by 5. 5 equals x. Or x equals 5. Same. Okay. If you want to, try this one. Log base 3 of 10x minus 9 equals 4. I'm going to pause because I don't know how to I don't know how to speed up my recording on this, but I'm going to pause and tell you the answer just in case you want to see it. You can try this. You don't have to. I'm just if you want. I got x equals 9. Here's my work. Then I forgot that I didn't show you how to do this on the calculator. You should know by now maybe how to do powers in your calculator because we've done it enough times in algebra 2 and stuff. But if not, same, I'm switching it. So I could do 3, and then I use this XY button, and then 4. Or in the last case, I would do 2, XY button, 3, and it would get me that power. So XY is the same thing as a caret. I don't know what it is on an iPhone. I'm so sorry. I wish I had like an iPhone emulator. Or if you have like a super old iPhone, I don't want to ask for that. Never mind. Okay, so that was our other one. Now, I didn't want to use all the space for that problem because there's other ones that look kind of different and it's scary, but they're totally fine. So here's an example. So if I have log base 7 of 4x minus 7 equals log base 7 of x plus 5. How do I do the log loop on this? I don't. What I do is I do 7 to the power of both sides, which basically makes it so I can ignore it if it's the exact same thing. I don't have to worry about these two. If they're not the same thing, I'm not going to give you that kind of problem, so don't stress about that. So I just ignore the log 7s because they're on both sides. That's all. And then I solve this. So I don't know, like subtract x. I get 3x minus 7 equals 5. Add 7. 3x equals 12. Divide by 3. X equals 4. Okay, so the hardest part about these problems is getting started. TBH. Everything once I ignore the logs is Algebra 1 stuff. This is Chapter 1, Algebra 1. If you don't remember this, please tell me if I need to do something for you that's different. Again, same thing here. This is new. This is Algebra 2 stuff. And then this is Chapter 6, Algebra 1, is powers. And then all the rest of it is Algebra 1, Chapter 1 stuff. So again, don't stress about it. I'm just going to put this here in case you did want to try it and you want to see it on the picture. Of course, it'll show the whole thing. So I wish I could do some like eraser. Like, it's gone. Anyways, I'm not that cool. That's it. Have a great day.